This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Michellemiller. Established cafe between Murphy and Blairsville on US Highway 129/Murphy Highway. High traffic area. Turnkey operation includes furniture, equipment, fixtures, signage, recipes and product inventory with exception of a few personal belongings TBD. Currently operational and owner will help train and assist for up to 2 weeks. Business only, assumption of lease/landlord approval. Financials available, confidentiality agreement required. For more information, review the details below or contact Michellemiller at 706-745-3500.